right. I'm a Disney fan. So Disney actually taught me a lot. I didn't experience Disney until I was an older adult in my late 20s. And this is before I even had my own business, my own massage business. And going to Disney was very magical, even as an adult. I really enjoyed myself. And when I left Disney and, over the years of going there, and I've been there several times over the last 12 years, you want to remember that experience. And it kept drawing me back. I would keep saying to my husband, he'd ask where we want to go on vacation, and I would say, let's go to Disney. And the reason that was because you weren't just there at a hotel, or you weren't just there at the theme park. It was the whole environment. It was the whole ambiance. It was the whole experience. And as a massage business owner, that's what I wanted to give my clients, the whole experience. From the moment they get the postcard in the mail or the email that comes to them, or the moment that they pick up the phone and call to make their appointment, you want them to have that experience. You want them to feel welcome. Then when they walk into your door, you want them to feel welcome. You want them to enjoy the atmosphere, the smells that you bring in with the aromatherapy, the warmth if they walk in on a cold day, a place to hang their jackets, or if you offer to take their jackets for them. Maybe a warm cup of tea, or some flavored water, or some magazines sitting out while they're waiting for their massage. Or maybe even just a relaxation room with a fireplace and some lounging chairs for them to go either before or after their massage, just to relax for a few moments. So you don't just want to offer the treatment. The treatment's great. Their massage could be wonderful. But if you're looking to build the type of business that gets your clients to come back over and over, you have to build the atmosphere. You have to build the experience. And once you have that, yes, they're definitely going to come back for your massage because that's what they're coming for, but they're also coming for, maybe they're coming for back pain or shoulder pain, but they're coming for that experience. Now, every client is different, and we all know that. But you may have one or two clients that are coming for just their treatment, and they come in, sit, go back, get their treatment, come out, and they're done. You're going to have other ones that linger. They're going to go into your reception area. They're going to look at your product, having samples out for them to smell or to touch or to try, a tester for them to try, or to have, cold bottles of water for them or warm tea. So just having that experience for them is so important to continue to bring them back, or, for them to enjoy themselves. And this is something that can be done very easily with some aromatherapy or some cool towels, or the hot tea or the flavored water. So as you're building your business, or if you have a business and you're looking to upgrade it, or you're looking to do something different, especially this time of year, we're at the holidays, we're going into a new year soon. What else can you do to enhance your business, to set yourself apart from other people? And that's what you want to do. You want to set yourself apart. Maybe offer those enhancements, maybe offer that experience in a different way. And I'm sure that your clients will much enjoy it. If you like this video, if it helped, go ahead and give us a thumbs up below. Feel free to leave your comments, share this with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for other videos.